Hey everybody, welcome back to Living Life Hands-On. I'm going to be running some water line down my fence road today so I can have hose bibs intermittently. Makes it a lot easier to water when I need to water. It's just a lot more convenient. So let's get to it. I'm going to be extending this set of water lines down this way. We're going to be doing about 150 feet. I have a hose bib every so often. I have here got a drip irrigation system set up on it, and I have just two open hose bibs. Just makes it a lot more convenient when you need water. Really the only tools that you need for this is something to cut PVC with. I use this ratcheting PVC cutter. It just ratchets, makes a nice clean cut. Or you can use a hacksaw or whatever to cut the PVC. This makes a clean cut, doesn't leave a lot of little burrs and fuzzies, and it makes a pretty straight cut. The only other thing that you need is a screw gun or screwdriver of some sort to run the screws into the brackets that are going to hold the risers up on the fence post. We'll get to that later. Okay, we're going to start here where I ended off the other one. This is a ball valve, and it shuts off the water, and it also makes it easy to continue on because it's got the built-in coupling on the end there. If you live in an area where you have freezing temperatures, you might want to end your water line with a ball valve. That way you can drain it down so when it freezes the pipes won't burst. Now I'm just going to use cleaner and cement. We're going to start gluing this together. A plumbing contractor friend of mine says you use a cleaner like you're not paying for it. The thought being is be generous with it. Make sure that you get it cleaned out really well. I'm going to do a double dose on this one because it's been sitting here in the dirt for a while. Now we come with the cement. Slide the pipe in, give it a quarter turn, and hold it in tight. Count to 25. Say your favorite Bible verse 5 times. Sing the refrain of your favorite song. Do something, but sit here for a while. Make sure that it bonds. It produces a chemical weld and holds the pipes together really well. But if you turn it loose too soon, it will push out the pipe. Why? I have no idea, but that's what happens. All right, there we go. Okay, when we get to going up the fence post with the riser, I've gone from 1-inch PVC to 3/4 inch PVC, and I'm using an EMT strap. A 1-inch EMT strap, and I just put a wood screw through each one of the holes to hold it vertical. The reason I have blue tape on here is because by the time I get to the end of the run, there's a very good chance that lizards or little tree frogs would climb in the pipe. So when I put the hose bib on there and turn the water on, they'll clog it up, and then I'd have to come back and cut the pipe, get them out of there. So I just do a preemptive taping. So that is what we have up to this point. I put the blue tape on the risers so guys like that can't climb down in the pipes and clog them up. Okay, looks like we might be getting some rain, so I'm going to go ahead and film this. I don't mind working in the rain, but I don't want to leave my phone in the rain. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put the hose bib connector on the top of the riser. It's just a 3/4 inch slip with a 1/2 inch threaded. I don't know if you can see the threads in there. So I'll mark it. Cut it. Clean it. We don't need to clean the threaded ends because we're going to Teflon tape that. Thread the hose bib in there. Down a 1/4 turn. Sit here and sing a song. You don't want to hear me sing a song. Let it sit for a minute. Then I'm going to put the bracket on the top. I'll leave the bracket off the top until after I have this on so I can lean it out if I need to. Then we're going to come back and put the hose bib in. And for those of you who wonder why I wear gloves for this cleaner, takes all that off. I think my liver's happy that I'm wearing gloves. Okay, for you technical people out there, this is actually a strap, not a bracket. I misspoke. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to take a hose bib. Going to wrap some Teflon tape around it. The direction that you wrap this is very important because if you wrap it counter to how it screws in, you'll just wind up peeling it all off and making a mess. Do that. Start it by hand. This is sometimes easier said than done. Go. Got a functioning hose bib. When I charge the line with water, I'll show you that it works. Thanks for watching. Okay, here's the moment of truth. We're going to charge this line. Let's see what happens. We have water here. I have all the hose bibs open, so we're not going to have much pressure. That one's good. This one's good. Uh-oh. Oh, this one's not turned on. That was good. Like a winner. Don't see any geysers. Don't see any leakers. I think that's success. Now we have plenty of options for water to put out on here where I have the mulch to help speed up the breakdown process. See if we can get some stuff growing here. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll leave a link to the PVC cutting tool in the description below. We'll see you the next time.